Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your monitor, GPU, and cable support HDR. Connect with HDMI 2, 0 or display port 1. 4. Then enable HDR in your operating system display settings. Once done, set color depth to 10-bit if the panel and GPU allow it. Make sure you've updated GPU drivers and open the graphics control panel to apply any vendor-specific HDR options. Doing this first prevents brightness, color, or clipping problems later when you enable HDR in apps and games. Once prerequisites are set, use the monitor's OSD to pick an HDR picture mode and lower peak brightness so highlights don't crush. Next, open the apps and games you use and enable their HDR options. Choose HDR content or streams to test. Make sure system features like night light or non-HDR color profiles are turned off since they interfere with HDR tone mapping. If available, apply a calibrated ICC profile for HDR workflow, or use the graphics control panel's HDR calibration utility for consistency. You finish by testing with verified HDR clips and calibration patterns to confirm highlights, black level, and color saturation look correct. If the image seems dim or washed out, toggle dynamic range or deep color options and recheck that the system is outputting 10-bit color. Sometimes tone mapping options in the GPU panel fix it. If problems persist, restart display drivers, try another cable or port, and reset the monitor OSD to defaults. These steps resolve most HDR inconsistencies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.